Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, which is part 2, Macka Diamond, she answered Foota hype back. Is it going to be a mix-up or is it going to be a fix-up? Don't worry, you'll see what happened or what didn't happen. But before you do that, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, show that you care. And always remember, Talking News is here.
It's something now. Ashanti want me add him, Foota want me add him. Everybody want me add them. And there's something now add. Everything I subtract.
Give me some good openness.
Hello?
But I'm not laughing because I may talk from WhatsApp.
You know why I have to laugh? Because you're not supposed to, your feelings and go and fuss. I'm not this all now. So, why you cussing?
I never say anything, but the most upset because it's all now. You Foota, you don't see my DM, man. I want bag of people in my DM from my WhatsApp about who your apology. The one white line him put up video. Me who your apology.
White line? Macka. Please, calm down. White line the video about everybody and everything. That's for them again.
Let me tell one the fair joke, but I want bag of people in my DM. I tell people to apologize.
Macka, listen, man. Let me hear a reason. And reason like sensible people. You have been a veteran in the game long donkey years before me even boss. Your boss and me ain't a problem. The problem with females sometimes you don't get too emotional for the simplest things. Now when you watch the video with me say, there's no way, shape or form you can say Foota this year. Remember why me unfollow you is because me cannot dictate to you and tell you what to post on your page. See? Because of your page.
But you say unfollow me like that every day me post people
no,
like
you don't understand what me say. Me never want to see it one day. And this is just my belief, right? And you don't have to agree with me and nobody on the Instagram don't have to agree with me because you know I'm not really business with comment and where people want to comment because we are a leader. We like Macka, Foota, the artists them, and we are lead. They say any day we get up and make the comments and the followers them navigate where we do, then we are no longer the leaders. See? Watch this now, mama. I don't like homosexual lifestyle. Me against the homosexual behavior. Me follow people where me rate and check for. And everybody me follow. See? You are one of the people that me follow for ever since. Now, me can't blame you for what happened. I have to blame myself. But here when you have to partially take blame, if me never follow Macka, me would end up in a situation. Remember, me don't know that spread your page. Me don't know where the spread.
What they acting said when they post the same person, you call him and tell him and show drive my attention.
Yeah, but me
so you want to say nothing?
But watch out, people call me and tell me say the boy were acting post about him and I me see it. Me not follow them the people there. So Macka more you keep your head by your body when you look on them situation there. Listen when
so because your comment, so because your person like for my one and nobody like acting one, that's why you never unfollow him.
No, remember say me never see acting. She not listen what me I say though. You not listen what me I say. Yeah, make a reference to something that makes sense. Because acting they get caught up like how me caught up and post it and I know. When me call him and tell him delete it. That's not the case with you. You know who. And you post them. And you remember say you have straight man for your life like me. When I like people.
But me have people when I straight on me go by your page and me see them I like your stuff. And me not
Macka, you still not listen up what I say.
You still not listen like the world set away now, Foota where we can't emotional.
But you get what me I say. Me now work with the world and the only reason why well I know.
So Macka saying
you know listen
the album deal I'm a company live with him right now. Yeah say you unfollow me and people
watching you know listen what me I say. Me no know that boy there. Me no know him page. The only reason why we have a conversation now is because Macka Diamond post something when me think is a female. Macka, wait now, listen first before you just ready for answer, no, man. Understand my point of view.
Listen something wrong, and you not DM me first.
No, man, listen to Macka, man. You know, say you not listen. That's why I can't take the feedback.
Don't message me, that is why I'm upset.
Macka, me not have to message you, listen this. Me not
exactly, I'm not to listen either because
you
if you
alright, you know, listen to me, I say, you are going to go up on the something and say, but other people post and Ray and party man like this and like that. I want you to understand where I am coming from. We're not quarreling, we're not having an argument. For me, is not enemy. You know what they say? Me not black you, and you not black me. Me just unfollow. That means if Macka want to post 100 batty man or 100 drag queen, me nah go see it. And you, me a black out, you know.
Post batty man. Put up my post the one named Dancehall Queen went there all the time. But post
no, you didn't see me like that? Well, you didn't see me like that?
You try to tell you, but you could have unfollow me because I already post somebody.
You still, but you don't have to worry about the unfollow now. Listen, the reason why I unfollow. This one tricked me because it was like the boy when he Dancehall King, where we know say about him.
Well, one that trick you, and you unfollow me. And that's what we said.
You wanna watch this G-Scott. The one where she post with the boy where say my Dancehall King Chrissy. Me not go like that. Because when me see about the boy. Me there about my business I do what me I do. I see Macka post a female. Remember she post her friend's birthday and everything. Me never know what they post about, you know. Me just know say, can me rate Macka post one of her friend them. Me just lie. I know me there, me see people say Foota, oh you feel like that? So me I try show Macka say, fear post infect me and incriminate me by me liking that. I have to understand that, Macka. If you don't understand that, then me you can't reason. Because I hear post, me don't know this boy or him page. Me not follow them people there. So when you post that now, me just think I want our friend them she post her some woman I do something to her song or something. So me they even look good to see if I sprat or if I wheel or shark. Me no business about that. I Macka post something. So me innocently. That's why me tell you say people DM me and me find out say fish. And people are DM me 10 million people. Foota, how you feel like that?
I say Foota, how you sure say me didn't know say I shan't do me just go
I don't know. But you come on earlier and say remember the boy page dead there, you know. Macka repost and make sure say page repost, you know. The name and page, you know. After me, I even recognize that. Me don't know him page, so me couldn't know who know at all. So me innocently incriminate myself. And you incriminate me, you know, Macka.
I understand.
Me innocently incriminate my page. But the point of the matter is, I don't follow pages that remember same thing that me follow unfollow Shensi, I know. Remember Shensi, I'm a bridging, me and her cool, me and her good from before she bust. I'm an unfollower too.
I'm not even, me never know overcome it. Because I remember say, me not a think person where artist we call on and pressure and say, when you not play my song, when you not this and that, it's a different friendship I deal with.
No, but Macka, you see, my reputation, your reputation different from mine. People know say, Foota not deal with batty man and deal with them something.
And WhatsApp me too. WhatsApp me and say Macka, but they WhatsApp me and cuss me out.
You know you're not listening to me. I know me not cuss me.
But still don't make people have to tell me I'm a person.
What you mean? People are going to tell you because people tell me say I sprat. So it's a public issue. But what I'm saying is, me never cuss you or this year. Macka, you know me. If me I cuss people and this them, I cuss them and this them. Me say me feel.
But your friend there, your friend them
not listen. Even in a slick white video, me have the real video on my page before I'm editing. You can go watch it. Me say me feel away. Me feel bad for no say me like a drag queen post because me innocently rate everything when Macka post. So am I ratings? Well,
you never know no catch you.
Am I ratings for Macka Diamond make me incriminate myself?
Me sorry because me think say to me know say you do not like these people. Me not expect that something like that catch you. Me think you that have on that.
No, but Macka here why catch people. Remember him not come out. Remember say the video is not him in him regular self. him dress like a girl, have on dress, put on wig, ladylike. So we just have browse through, you know, people timeline. My timeline crazy. Remember Foota IP at my timeline crazy. So I see Macka post a female. Alright, I never click to hear the song. I just know say this probably I want challenge. Something I just got a boom and click like. Gone about my business. But alright, you see if the people have never message me and I say, Ray, it would have still up there, you know? Come who do know, you know? I've been people in my DM and say, Foota, oh, you fit do that.
You're gonna watch something, you know, just say something like.
No, Macka, man. Macka, so you don't feel like say, alright, may I reason upon a big man level. Females within dancer, you don't have no respect for the where we stand and where we raise pan. Like, not because they are promote a song. Anything nobody do to a video where the song are playing and you go post it?
No, Foota, look here. Me learn it just explain to the people a while ago. So me go England and then place and people tell me say Macka is a gay club. I wanted to pass show, I wanted to perform. Me can't business is like there's no business like
no,
show
Macka,
business.
Man. Business have limits to man.
You can't change people. Let that when time
tell the people what they do clash with you know do clash with shitty done. And me call you and tell you when me call him, I message you and say you should never do that. You're not with people that
that's why I'm surprised when the message about it.
You know, understand. You can't surprise because I never like a post with shitty done. Me see I do something where me feel like it a degrade your career. Cause you know them people enough to get a chance half a Macka and hard working career where you do from Lady Mackerel days. I can't give them people
I may talk about it, right?
Yes. But this now is a different case because you have me now. I like a Batman post where me never know.
Me, have you do that?
Macka, you can move see that they post.
You're smart. You're supposed to have the detector, the Batman
no,
detector.
Macka. You know why? You know why me get not up? Because I'm Macka Diamond page. So you now understand the riff of the thing. Me who the see film post, coming up no way, shape or form to follow film post. I even go up on Explorer and see that. Me now look and everything me like over Explorer. But this is Macka Diamond's page. So if you have a challenge and I run a challenge and a girl a wine to your song, make a like that and move on. Come on to get the likes, them and put up a like it too. Them say star like Macka post. And not just any like a Foota like Macka post. Because if me a follow you, that mean me rate you. And if you have you rate me. That's why me not put up no. Listen, Macka, remember a whole heap of thing me could have posted. A whole heap of thing me not post. Me not post not incriminating nothing. You never see me post where a girl a suck a hood. You never see me post where a girl a kiss a girl. You never see me post where no shaking nothing. Because I know like me can't post it. But me now post it. Because me have control over where my audience and my people and where follow me I see. And me care about everybody where follow me. It's like oh me see Jamaican thing I gonna know G-Skull. Every Jamaican artist is nervous and scared and caring of what the gay community have to say or how them are going to react. But them now remember so them have straight people and them following too. Who don't care how gay people feel, I don't care how straight people feel. So if today you should lose all of your straight followers and keep on the gay one them, you think your numbers are that so high? No. So you have to think, say, yo, me have people who not like Batman, and me have people who like Batman from my page. So here me going to do it.
Everywhere me go now, me see Batman. If me go into the airport, me go from the
Batman is there everywhere.
Is that them here?
Batman is there everywhere long time. And the fact that this is where Jamaican entertain and I understand. Seeing something everywhere doesn't mean it's a part of our thing. This is when me cut above the rest of every selector.
Is there our thing dancer now? Is there our thing dancer now? Like our thing?
What do you mean? Macka, at the end of the day, when Macka go England, go perform in a gay club, it's not Macka Diamond a London artist. It's Macka Diamond dancehall artist. So no matter where you go and where you go, your true skeleton don't change. My skeleton don't change.
Canada took a perform in a gay club. Go place, I go Canada took a perform in a gay club.
Macka, yeah, say what me not say. I'm saying, even if you do, you don't go in there as Macka Diamond the rapper. You go in there as Macka Diamond, dancehall artist.
Right,
so when we go to these places, anywhere in the world, you now represent yourself. You represent dancehall. And this is just my cut above the rest from everybody. That's why I rate myself. Cause me, if me talk about money, the amount of money me turn down. Few man of them say broke and hungry and I live nowhere and I have nothing. The amount of money me turn down.
Me hungry and I live nowhere I can't to people. So
the amount of money when me turn down for the standard of my culture, me rate myself over everybody else in our music. Because you cannot get me post them things and do them things because of the money and the likes. It's not post. So say Foota now gonna be the biggest thing then. Like a Macka or a Sky Juice or a Stone Up, because me not endorse certain things. Me I gonna be a liquor selector. I mean I gonna be a liquor selector and dead a liquor selector. Cause I'm not doing it. That's all me I say now. Me can't tell everybody to do that because me and not God. So if Macka feel like she want to post some shaky people, I cannot stop Macka. That's Macka thing, Macka. Me can stop me from seeing Macka posting.
Exactly.
So me follow, because I don't want to infect my brain capacity. Because remember, say if you not see something or hear it, it not affect you, See? But when me not follow that boy then. But watch this now. Half of Macka people them could not follow it. But when Macka post him and repost it, with him page name, Macka introduce who don't know him to him now. So you are work for him. Him do it for your song because him know what him a do. Him know so when him do this for Macka song, Macka going to repost it. So him get free advertisement over a straight world. Him a bridge current, but because Macka promote our song, Macka now look on the point say him a bridge current to come in our arena where him not there. So he might use you for where you really urge for, because you want this song you get promoted. So any promotion you already got promotion is just promotion. But he might get a bigger thing out of it. That's why I'm running go live now. And he might cost Foota and the whole of the batty man, they might, oh Foota this, Foota that. You give them the platform they know. Because
so I'm not going to give them the platform then.
You know, Macka not understand this. Macka, me not like. Me a talk about your post where me like. So me don't want to hear about nobody else. And then I go say
the rest of them was okay.
You know, listen to me now. I don't like no me not like no other body. Something like that. Cause me when they put up the next boy, he me know him about him and you see. For you see the boy and you dance or Chrissy or what the fuck him name.
They put up other ones to put up.
Which other one? Me never. Nobody, but you not understand. You put up, but me not like that one that trick me. Me can't come public and tell you say that one a rascal that trick me.
Okay.
So this me address. Now when me go to Bama and click like, the black of them go to Bama and screenshot. Before me even know say me even do something wrong. You see me say, G-Skull? So when my followers them I say, youth, what you do? I say, what I talk about? Them say Macka post is a man. I say which man? It's a woman. Them say go back and look for the name. Cause me never even picture say name dead and I know. Macka just post a woman. I do some challenge, something. I mean like it. But what I'm saying, Macka, and it's just reality, I have to understand. When me go so now and say me unfollow Macka, it's not because I'm disrespecting Macka.
Right.
I'm merely protecting my integrity.
Me just a try, you know.
No, there's nothing to try, Macka. Because if me and Macka is enemy.
Where you realize it, you just say you're the one where you because you hurt, because you post it. And
because I like it. That's how it fuck me up. Remember, say if you post it and me not like it, me and you wouldn't have that conversation, yeah? You understand what I say?
Same like how you could have linked about Ray. You could have linked this.
Macka, here I can't link about that. Me like it already and it's all over social media. So it's a public thing now, it's not between me and Macka again. Slick White and me call him. And then here when hurt me now, Macka. This hurt me. What you say? You don't know who pay me for this? Macka. You
No,
know,
because the way or you come out with it and just
come out now and this year.
no, I never say this man.
No, but somebody got pay me. Hold on about Macka, if you use a break.
Yeah, pay me and Macka, you this and you understand me with talk.
But you're with females. You're with females. You're with females. You know, always a over thing and a blow things out of proportion. Because if me was a ignorant person now, me just say, oh, Macka, come talk about people pay me. But me a well-rounded youth.
Me with talk, you will understand. Me not have to go into details there.
Yeah, but you're supposed to know me by now. If you said that on a public platform, that means you are attacking my credibility.
But don't DM.
That means make it look like Foota is a youth where people can pay for the fuck to other people. Me never like that because you know me better than that. And no matter who you have nothing, Foota hype has never ever denounced Macka or me not link with them. Me link with them straight. Me link with them more than some people where you and them have things and pay problems. So to you say that on a public platform, it's not good. You're supposed to, as a female, assess what you say. Because I saw people were cool with one another, end up turn against one another and turn enemy. Because me was a little made youth now, and here you say that. Me run up in my feeling and feel like this.
If when I come up on WhatsApp, you come up on live and say, you know, Macka tell me exactly what me say. And that is why she feel like say she said what she
no, that way that you want to see it. For you say pay. No, listen, for you say you don't know who pay me if you do this. And my integrity, yeah, sure say this a man that can get buy out to these people. Yeah, sure say Foota is a man that can get buy out to these people. And anybody know me.
I bet you when me explain to you, you're gonna laugh till a week.
Macka, me still gonna ask you. You cannot say you don't know who pay me to do that. Me no business about how it reached to that. You, as a person who know me, not supposed to insinuate say somebody can pay me for this year. Because if I pay for this we are talking about, me damn full. What the artist have a man or woman and put up a picture of the man or woman and the man call me. The right man for the woman call me and say, pay me any money to go post it and go up on the page and talk the truth and show say I'm wife. Him send me pictures and everything. You know what I do? Take up my phone, me DM the artist. He said, brother, look at these things the man has sent me. And the man has said, a bit time. If me didn't love money, me not DM the artist. Me take that food a long time and go hold a discussion and say, people come live, me have a story. I never do that. So me not like the facts that you say. You don't know who pay me for this. That sound like Foota is a man where no integrity and him just take money and these people. Come would I never do that? I would never do that. And even the other things them where you say, no bother me. You see that part of me integrity, I don't do that. And every money me take. If me take every money, would have cool it Batman and lesbian and everybody. If I did money me propel by. Me not propel by money. Straight up. So me not like that. Because enough people can tell me run them and their money.
And if I had certain things me in love, me would have done one different place now. Me understand the word of them things. Me understand the word of them things.
No, sir. Well, I'm Macka one thing did that pass so distract everybody. I know that's it, nigga. But Macka, hear me I say. On a big man level, you have somebody who me rate and respect and me not this year. And you would never get me for this year like. I am just saying I am protecting my brand. Because me against homosexual lifestyle, against homosexual behavior, I am not trying to fit in with the world that is cool with them. I don't want to be a part of their happiness. I am okay over here. I don't want no gay fans. I don't want no gay people like me, some of them. Me don't want to see them. Seeing them over for them world and me over my world. The only reason why I'm talking is because you posted something that I innocently liked, that was a faggot, and no matter who want class me and this, I'm willing to come out and say me like a post where it was a fish dressing like a woman. Me not afraid to face the reality, say me kill myself. Me kill myself. But how me end up kill myself? Because I'm a love and respect for Macka make me kill myself. And that if you look on the bigger picture, females, every time something go on, because you're not angry, and you're not on the feelings, overlook the true respect. The true respect is, I never blocked you. If I block Macka, that would mean I don't want Macka see where I go up on my page, I don't want to see Macka. I just unfollowed. That means your post.
Unfollow, block, or imitate for block. So once for the unfollow, me advertise block in everything.
No, but unfollow can't be blocked because. Macka, how me join your life? How me join your life? Macka, I could be intelligent and put the angry one side, no, man. We are reason now as friends. I could look on the reality. If me did block you, I couldn't depend on your life. Because I would have black out. See? So, black and unfollow are two different things. If me did block you, you could not talk to me right now. So we never reach a disrespect level they are black. Me unfollow because me don't want to infect myself with your post.
Call it black. I'm in the ear, see WhatsApp, me not hear say nothing. So me say what is other people
no, man. You look on it the wrong. You look on it the wrong way, man. You look on it the wrong way. The thing is, when you follow somebody, whatever they post, you see. And I cannot look at Macka and say, me.
To open my feelings as a female and feel like the unfollowing is all about blocking and Foota done with me and very and I want
to can't done with you. But if you read even my caption, them or the comment in the comment section, me I tell you say, me and Macka don't have nothing. In my book, me and Macka good.
The white line something, I see a post, I'm going to post it, but when I look, one bag of people start cussing me out. And I say,
Macka, you pay a comment. This is what you do, man. You pay a comment section too much, man. Me post it, I'm in a business even.
In my DM.
You know much people are saying, Foota, you idiot, red card. You forget evicted out of dance because you like Patty Man post. No, I like Macka Diamond post. But Macka Diamond post aspirate just like a woman. I couldn't know. So, you crucify me then, kill me then. But when I say Macka, you have to care for it. Alright, you see me? Me mind a Macka. No get the backlash of me get off of internet.
Understand where I say, I understand every word where I say.
Understand. Me could have war with way more people if me did just react on impulse and emotion and say, that person and this man. No. No, me can't follow back Macka because Macka might post a fish again. I mean, I want to like it by accident. If Macka can tell me, say, alright, me not post no more Batman anymore. So then me can't force her to say that, like it. A wrong thing I say, me cannot force Macka to do that. Macka is our own big man and is our own page. It's my responsibility to not corrupt my ears and my eye. I is innocent. So anything nobody post, you see it done gone in your brain. So me have to protect my brain. Yeah, so I just that.
Understand that. This is also a learning process for you to more observant each time.
No, but I have to observe. That are the thing. I have to observe because I have a busy day. Anybody when me follow supposed to solid. So when you post something, remember, Macka, more you get this, more you understand this and listen to that part carefully. You see, if you did post Shibada then, I wouldn't like it. Because I would have said, Shibada that. If you did post the boy regular, I would like it. Come on, that's the boy.
I don't understand or you don't know this person because.
But I'm wrong. I feel like I follow everybody and know everybody. Me not follow them. Me not watch
the person that come up recently with the acting saga and they look the same. So that's why I don't understand.
Even acting saga, me never watch nothing. People just say, yo, tell the DJ take on this. I'm Batty boy. I'm just call acting and tell him take it down. So I'm telling you, miscalculate the thing. I see him so sometimes some people say think they're on pink one. Yeah, them Foota. You know see this on pink one. Me not see if somebody not tag me. Me not follow them page there. Me not follow Tropics. Me not follow none of them. Hold on, Macka. Me not here. Hold on. Yeah. Sometime at that one. So you'd have to come out of the app, go in on WhatsApp and come back in and it go away. I say it work. When somebody call you and the voice go down, don't close the app.
Yeah.
Just come out of the app, go in on WhatsApp, come out back, or go in a text, go in on any other app and come back to the Instagram.
Oh, come always I wonder who may get all that problem.
Yeah, come up back there. Yeah, so as I say, Macka, you're somebody when me respect. First thing, me respect all females in the business. Not one, not two.
And Foota, you know, say, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you. Enough time when I on my page, I'm say like myself. I feel good like I say, no, say Foota rate me. I always feel like I always feel like the strength there and I love them. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not pump on a live today and go like me go diss you on a level where me go tell you the truth. Enough time when I look on my page, I'm see your like them on my page. I feel good because I say, no, say, enough selectors in the world and Foota always did and I like my thing. I know they put a race. I always go to bed or I always walk out of my house or look for me on the page and feel good about that. So, I want to tell you the truth, say, I apologize. I'm not lie to you. I apologize if you feel that the type of feeling there and I really feel away right now. Because
yeah, man, I accept your apology, man.
I want to tell you I'm sorry.
Accept your apology, man.
Because if you could have helped you recognize. But
if you feel no way, Macka, what's this? If you feel no way like me to diss you, I apologize to you. Because I never diss you. You understand me? So I just protect myself and protect my integrity. Macka, I'm going to tell you so. And this is just the truth. Enough of the artists them and star go like them better than other stars. And the whole of we in the same industry. Macka not supposed to post something where I don't like, where I can't like. Because I feel like me a Foota hype and me act right now and I not going to like that coming out. Me see big Busta Rhymes them, like my post them, and join my live. Sean Paul, we're bigger than almost everybody. Like my post, join my live. So when me look on it, me I say, oh, some of them man, them use fake page, watch your page, and them not like nothing. You feel like your co-worker, them thing as long as it makes sense. And show say, yo, we are empowered.
Each other. Have people when I have business on my call. And say, me would I even pay you, just post me thing for me. And I just test them as an artist and I'm say,
and them still
not charge me for post me thing. And them say, send it come and I'm not charge you and all of them not post it.
Macka, may I tell you, I am just protecting my integrity. Shensi, I'm a lover. Remember when me there at prison, me dream about Shensi and me and them something. Zin? So me and they are good. Zin? But she did overdo it with this gay posting thing, yeah? So me unfollow her too. Me no block her. Me unfollow her.
I know people call me for Foota. Because I go someplace and hear people talk this and that and me did that and I make light of defend him. And of course,
yeah, but
so that's what I'm trying to say. And I out of the love when you show me because you always like what me them. So that I'm trying to say.
Not change, but me just know say you're a big woman, you respond to your own page, me can't tell you what to post. The only thing me can do for save myself is unfollow some in a city post. If you understand what I say.
Okay.
So big up yourself, mama. We're good, man. Everything.
Alright, big up yourself, too, brother. And love and be safe and put on your mask.
Alright.
Cool. Why am I telling them is a liar? All them people don't know what in the DM or bad me up and that this and make it look like. You know, you see sometimes you really have to be the bigger person and say, because me I tell you say, you know, from every minute people are showing me this thing, but to me I travel, one night last night I travel. So me there outside and I try to protect myself and my mask up and all these things. And somebody say up to a few minutes ago, me I lie down and me I say, man, I should really take on this thing, you know? And me that iffy a bit, but you don't know what's gonna have feelings. Ashanti me that try to add there honestly and it can say something about Ray and I get hungry now because I sleep out half of the day. Make sure I screenshot it because I don't want it. Dolly feel like me nah try for add it. It has said waiting for him. Waiting for Dolly Ashanti. Yeah, honestly, I understand what Foota say, but if I post a thing, then people have to just look, you know. Some people are going, I'm going to learn that thing there later. You have to just post the thing. You have to just look good and just, everything. Just like, you just have to pick that Dolly. Jeez, I don't want to catch the part of the show because I don't want Dolly. Triplets. This is something to say about Triple X too. A Triple X, that the real Triple X or something for adding. That never do copy, that never do for sure. So you want me to set you up on Foota? I try add but if you just know that to them, I'll come on for the page. But that's why I screenshot something. That is a man try for add it and tell a lie because people them for the Mixup. So them over here enough. When time I promote the song nobody not over here. When I promote your song, them good song them but not over here, but when I mix up, why am I tell you? The world does change. Anyway, later, I remember Seafood Fridays, Healthy Food Fridays. DM me if you don't want to order on a fish and thing. Anybody who in the Queens, Brooklyn, and Bronx area, link up. Alright? Seafood Fridays, Healthy Food Fridays, healthy juice, every little thing. Everything healthy, every Friday, link up. Big up to Daily, Dancehall Queen Daily, you know, so you're the big chef around here. I don't know if I the real Triple X that are one different X. No, I don't think so. I want fake X. Later, I not add nobody. Later, me and Foota don't resolve with him.
Okay, people, see? That's what I'm talking about. See? The reasoning got a little seasoning and all the bad vibes, it got eased in and them gone. So it was a fix-up, not a mix-up. Thank God, because them two people there me rate 100%, and I would never want to see them fall out, but big people thing, they did what they had to do. Thank God. Well, like, subscribe, share, show that you care. And since I am Daddy Reddss, the reggae ambassador, I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News.